thing, Gary. Gary. Let's show the world how smart you are. Oh, that's not working. Good boy. Good boy. Okay. Here's your treat. Here's your treat. Good boy. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. Okay, now can you press it on the ground? Can you press when it's on the ground? Gary, press the button. Good boy. I might have done that. Gary, come on, press the button. Press the button. Come on, press the button. Come on. Gary, press the button. Press the button. Gary Bear. Gary Bear. Look. Button. Button. Right. Okay. Gary, press the button. Gary, press the button. Come on. No, press it. Press the button. Press the button. Gary, press the button. Look, come back here. Come on. Come on. Gary.
He's a giver-upper.
He's a giver-upper. All right. Let's try this. Go, show the capybara. Good boy. You have to make a, there you go. Okay, now, let's press the button. Press the button. Oh, come on. Come on, you have to make it make the noise. Okay, come on. Come on. Good boy. Okay, now let's just do it when it's on the ground. No, honey. Look. Button. Look. Press the button. I don't see what the big difference is. If it's on the ground or if it's in my hand, it's still the button. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. Hey, come on. Make it. Gary. Gary,
go press the button. Go press the button. Go press the button.
Gary, look, here's a button.
Go, Gary. Go